Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a lot of new upgrades for the SCX24 Jeep. We got some high clearance links. I don't know what it's called, but adds extra weight. Some new shocks, wheels, and tires. So I'm going to get these opened up and then put them on the Jeep and then show you the effects. Got all the upgrades out. Wheels. I'm going to start by putting the wheels and tires together, and then I'll move on to putting everything on. I got all the tires done. I'm just going to get all this stuff ready and then put it on, and then be ready to go. All the bottom stuff on. Beautiful, it's gold, super heavy. I'm just gonna put the springs on and then finish off with the tires. Alright guys, it is officially done. Check it out. Beauty. All that gold in there. Now we just gotta go test it out. So it was actually a little too tall, so I went ahead and took the springs off. So it's a little lower now. Should be better. So now let's go test it out. Alright guys, so as you guys could see, it's much better. Looks way better. Beautiful gold. Super good now. So, if you guys want, all these parts are from Injora. If you want any of them, I'll have the link in the description. So check that out if you want any of these parts or upgrades. And thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.